Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to speak on the topic cleanliness and nature. Firstly, I would like to congratulate Indian Under-19 team for winning the Under-19 World Cup. We all know the importance of cleanliness, why we have to keep our environment clean, etc. Then do people tend to throw the litter on the roadside? Throwing garbage not in the dustbin but on the road leads to many diseases, which may affect us as well as the others. So moving on to today's topic, Nature Speaks. Here is a poem written by me on the topic. All nature speaks of yourself, O reader, so wonder for all to view. We plant, we water, you are the creator, revealing the beauty of nature to you. Magnificent petals of flowers so sweet, a palette of perfect array, when gathered together in bunches and given as a gift, can gladden a heart any day. A moment to think and ponder. We pass by the blessing so near. You have given our heart to cheer, and our hearts are thankful in wonder. We have so beautiful God-gifted nature. It's our responsibility to save it and hand it over to our next generation. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Hope from now you all will keep the environment clean and green. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and comment. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel.